Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude. I'm back with another video. I'm out here in Granville Island, which is in Vancouver, BC, so I'm at the ocean here with all the ports and docks and boats and all that jazz. And today, I'll be showing you guys a comparison between the new ocean protector Mosasaurus and the new Camp Cretaceous Plesiosaurus. Now these guys have a lot in common, and I've been wanting to do this video for a long time, because they have this kind of darker coloration in comparison to the older figures. You know, the Plesiosaurus and the Mosasaurus from the older lineup had this kind of greeny blue, kind of turquoise color, and these ones now have a more accurate color where they've got this white on the bottom, see? And what's neat about these is this white color starts at the tip of the jaws on these figures and go all the way down to the back paddles. See here? Zoom on that. So they've also got a more interesting gradient, something you'd see in open ocean. This darker color, it matches well with deep water when looking down. So this is a great camouflage. Now, the Ocean Protector Mosasaurus has a blue eye, and the Camp Cretaceous Plesiosaurus has a green eye. Both have pink paint on the inside of the jaws. You can see the tongue is painted pink on that guy, and there's a more tan, like skin color looking color on the inside of the Ocean Protector's mouth, right? Now, I like these compared to the original for the accuracy. These are great for photography. They blend well with their environment, and they give a more natural feel to them. More like they belong in nature, which is really nice. You can see the Plesiosaurus has this pattern on it where it's kind of splotching up the bottom of the body, and that presents more of a cool design, not just a gradient or straight lines being sprayed onto the bottom of the figure. Now with the Mosasaurus here, you can see there's a gradual trend to the white. There's this kind of sky blue, this faded, darker blue transitioning into the white, and it gives for a more natural feel going to the underbelly of the figure. Whereas again, there's no gradient on this figure, it's just the blue and the white. And you can see here that the blue on the Plesiosaurus is a lot more brighter. It's still a darker blue, but the plastic that they used is a lot different, obviously, because this one has this real feel squish to it, and this one's hard plastic, but they went with a more brighter dark blue, whereas the Ocean Protector Mosasaurus, it has more of a like a purpley blue sort of feel to it, almost fully purple. It's kind of like a navy-ish kind of feel to it. But in comparison to these two, it would be cool if we got a less blue. We got a pirate ship in the background here. Zoom in on that. That's pretty weird. Very neat. So yeah, no, it's got a lot going on in the background as well. So between the two, these are some of the best marine reptiles presented in Mattel's lineup so far. I definitely recommend picking them up. This one's out in Canada right now, and will soon be hitting the States, and I believe it's also available in places in Europe as well, maybe even Chile, and this one's available everywhere. I'm not sure if it's prominent on shelves now. 2 or 3 months ago, this guy was out there. So yeah, no, these are definitely some of the best figures. I recommend picking them up if you're into photography, if you're into just collecting them in general. They're definitely worth it, and love the color overall. Hope you guys enjoyed this comparison. Make sure to leave a like and a comment if you did, and I'd appreciate a follow. I do more posts like this, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.